G'day OWFsquad squad, welcome back to another Thursday trip report. If you're new to my channel, I upload every Thursday 12 PM Hong Kong and Singapore time, so be sure to click that subscribe and bell buttons now so you won't miss out on another new video. Today I'll be flying Singapore Airlines from Hong Kong to Adelaide via Singapore. This video will cover the Singapore to Adelaide sector. Upon disembarking, the crew gave me this little gift which is meant to be for the kids. I don't know why she gave it to me, but it's very nice of her. Here we are at Terminal 3 at Changi Airport. It's very massive. It's where most Singapore Airlines long-haul flights depart from. At Hong Kong Airport check-in, I was assigned to a middle seat for the A350 flight to Adelaide, but fortunately the gentleman at the transfer desk area was able to change it to a window seat for me. So I've just got off the A380 from Hong Kong now. Next flight is going to be A350 to Adelaide, but first going to go to the FrequentFlyer Lounge. This is KrisFlyer Gold Lounge. You can get in with a Star Alliance Gold card or a Virgin Australia Gold card. Things to note, this lounge doesn't have any shower facilities or even a bathroom. However, as I'm speaking right now, this lounge is closed for renovation and expansion. The current temporary lounge and the new KrisFlyer Gold Lounge will come with shower and bathroom facilities. There's a buffet area in the lounge and the food selection here is quite extensive. You have a lot of dim sum to choose from. Out of all, this is my favourite sticky rice. Here you've also got a selection of alcoholic beverages. Before long, it's time to head to our gate for SQ279 to Adelaide. You can grab some newspapers and headphones before you step into the plane. Welcome on board Singapore Airlines new A350 Regional Economy Class cabin. This regional A350 is only 6 months old. Economy class is in a 333 configuration. Now let's quickly go through the seat features. In front of you have a big touchscreen TV with a USB port under it. Down here you've got a little storage space and next to it you've got a cup holder. This is Singapore Airlines classic tray table. You can fold it in half and move it back and forth. And here you've got a mirror. You've got 3 seat pockets, which is great for storage, and down there where I'm pointing at is a universal power socket. The leg room is 32 inches, which is adequate.
It's already warm. With me in the cockpit today, Senior First Officer Mr. Derek, the cabin Inflight Manager Mr. Jeremy, and his team of our cabin crew members will see to comfort on tonight's flight. Flight time 6 hours. Routing ceases departing from Changi Airport. We're taking off towards the south, making a turn towards Indonesian airspace, climbing up to an eventual altitude of 41,000 feet. We're making landfall over the Aussie continent just over Port Hedland. From there we'll find our way onwards towards Adelaide. Should be generally smooth flying conditions for most of this trip. However, do keep those seatbelts of yours fastened wherever you're seated for your safety. Okay, we've got about a few more minutes before pushback time, so do make yourselves comfortable. I'll head back to the cabin crew. Sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the flight. Thank you.
Hot towel is given out before takeoff and it's bloody hot. Can you see the smoke? For your comfort, a soft pillow and a blanket is ready for you on your seat for this red-eye flight to Australia. Menus are being distributed and I'll show you that later.
As we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a journey through Singapore. Fasten throughout the flight.
Control, here DOS.
is turned on. Infants should be lifted from the bassinet and secured with an infant seat belt.
Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelt and draw up your window shades. Thank you.
That Qantas A380 is going to London Heathrow. Now let's quickly go through the entertainment system. There's a whole lot of movies to choose from and they're all pretty up to date. The touchscreen is also very easy to use, it works just like an iPad. The in-flight map system is interactive, meaning you can zoom in and zoom out to wherever you want.
Not be used and hot beverage service will be suspended. Infants must be carried out from the bassinets and secured with an infant seatbelt. Duty-free shopping is available. Enjoy a 10% discount for all timepieces. In addition, get 10 Singapore dollars off your total purchase when you pay with your UOB credit cards with a minimum net spend of 180 Singapore dollars. More details can be found in the KrisFlyer catalog. Thank you.
Here's a look at the menu book. You have a lot of alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages to choose from. A breakfast will be served before landing, and those 2 pages show you what you get from Adelaide to Singapore. So after takeoff you only get a piece and crackers and a drink. There is no meal. Shortly after that, with about 5 hours to go, the cabin is completely deemed for people to sleep. With around 2.5 hours to go, the crew switched on the lights and once again gave out hot towels. It's been a really comfy flight so far. The legroom is fine and the recline is great. I slept really well for 2 hours. So here we finally have a meal, and it's a breakfast before landing. I opted for the egg pudding with Swiss cheese. It comes with sausage and potato as well. On the side there's a strawberry yogurt, fruit and bread. For the bread you don't just have the butter but also a strawberry jam, which is a nice little touch. They also give you metal cutleries in economy class. The egg pudding with Swiss cheese is really delicious, but I think the portion is not enough for a 6-hour flight. For drinks, I opted for green tea. Hello from Singapore Airlines, regional A350 900 economy class lavatory tour. Here's your very standard A350 toilet. You've got perfume, hand lotion and bottle of mouthwash, and for the mouthwash, sorry, you've got paper cups here. Up here you have a coat hook and another mirror.
Just declare it. When you fill out this card, if you have something to declare, just declare it.
Sorry, but it's a rare pygmy kumquat.
Sorry, a fish. They must have swum into my bag.
Sorry, my mom packed my bag.
Sorry, man.
The weather portal on ground is partly cloudy with a ground temperature of 8 degrees Celsius. And on behalf of Singapore Airlines, I'd like to thank you for choosing flyers and wish you a pleasant day ahead. Cabin crew, prepare for arrival.
We're about to land into Adelaide Airport, so let's quickly conclude this flight right here, right now. Firstly, the seat is very comfortable. I know that this is a regional aircraft flying to Australia, but I think the seat is more comfortable than most other airlines that fly long haul. I found it very weird that they don't serve a meal after takeoff, but before landing rather. Malaysia Airlines also fly from Kuala Lumpur to Adelaide, which is also a red-eye flight. They would serve a dinner after takeoff and a refreshment, which is usually a pastry before landing, which I actually prefer. Because some people may have connected from another flight from Singapore and have been hungry for the whole time. Anyway, let me know in the comment down below which one you'd rather, a dinner after takeoff or nothing after takeoff and a breakfast before landing. The crew on today's flight have been very friendly. As you can see in the video, they have warm smiles on their face. Singapore Airlines fly daily from Singapore to Adelaide. With this non-stop service, costs you around 700 Aussie dollars return. Now, thank you very much for watching this Singapore Airlines trip report, and here we are, OWFsquad. Share your journey with me with this hashtag on Instagram, and please don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your aviation friends. And please subscribe now if you haven't done so. It's not too late, and your subscription will motivate me to do more videos like this one. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next Thursday, 12 PM Hong Kong and Singapore time, or Thursday, 2:30 PM Adelaide time. Now please enjoy the approach and landing into Adelaide Airport. Bye bye.
Welcome to Adelaide, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is off. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments and remember to take all your belongings with you. It's been a pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
Okay, I'm going to give a white for you.